Hello. This is Larrissa with Be You Beautiful One. Welcome to my channel. I am so glad that you are here. Well, guys, I am excited. I got my Cultivate What Matters box today. And it says today is the day. I have not unboxed this yet, so this will be my first time seeing the contents. I only broke the seal. So let's get into this box. Okay, and in the inside it says, you know, all those things you always wanted to do, you should go do them. Well, isn't that the truth? So, I got the confetti Powersheets. Hello. Best year ever. That's cute. Okay. And I got the Cultivate What Matters stickers. Well, sticker. And then that's simply below. And I will be keeping my box for storage. Okay, bubble wrap. I chose not to get the bundle because I have pin pouches, I have stickers, I have washi tape, I have all that additional stuff. So I chose to only get the PowerSheet itself. Ooh, look at all of that. Yes. Ooh, I love it. It's beautiful. And you know, I am a confetti girl and I love everything that sparkles. So, this is my first PowerSheet ever. It is the actual goal planner, and the reason why I decided to go ahead and get this is because I wanted to go beyond just having a vision board and saying I want to do A, B, C, D. I have a vision board for this year. And I've actually accomplished a lot on my vision board. However, there are some things that I have not yet accomplished. And so, this is to help me maybe dissect my visions that I'm praying on, asking God to help me grow. I'm asking God to give me the desires of my heart. And that I stop procrastinating or be able to overcome some hurdles that is stopping me from achieving the vision, the dreams, the goals that I would like to complete, that I feel that maybe God has given me the desire to complete. So that's what is about this book. It's about digging deep into the whys, the hows, and overcoming some hurdles. So let's see what we have here. So here's the inside pocket, and it's tight, so hopefully it'll loosen up just a slight bit. But ooh, we got some more stuff. And this is just a blank cardboard sheet. This is pretty. It says, oh, it says, you know, all those things you've always wanted to do, you should do them. So that's good. My word of the year card. And then let's do this 2020. What I'm excited about is that the planning community that I am a part of, we're going to hold each other accountable by using this power sheet. So I'm really excited about that. And I think that's another difference about this. I guess I could officially call her my planner mentor. The paper and pen girl is going to be helping to help us execute our goals by using the power sheet. And so I'm really excited about that. And then all my planner babe sisters are joining together. And so here is Cultivate What Matters, social media, and then some things about how this is going to work. And I know I am, but my planning community network is actually starting now to prepare for 2020. Instead of just waiting for 2020 to press the restart button or, you know, getting the momentum going. So I'm doing a lot of pre-work before 2020. And so this says PowerSheet prep. The first section will lead you to uncover a big picture vision, and then the right goals for your unique life and season. And number 2 is action plan. You would create a clear action plan for each of your goals to help you start well and follow through with ease. And then the monthly tending sheet pages are for after you set your best goals, you will live them out using our signature tending system. And so that is the first portion of the introductory. And then I love these beautiful tabs that we have here marking the quarters. So that's nice, the month and the quarters. Ooh, we get some stickers. Yay! Cultivate. A verb, to break up the soil in preparation for new growth to grow into 10. I love that because, you know, whenever I think about God planting seeds in us and helping us to plant additional seeds, we have to cultivate the land to prepare the land for the seed, for the new growth that's going to take place. So that's wonderful. And we got some sticker sheets, which are very pretty. I definitely have some stickers that would work nicely with this. Let me come back out so you can see it. And then they did actually have a sticker book, but I just didn't get those. Okay, and then you got your goals, ideas. Need examples, save more money, love others, get outdoors, take care of my body, be more present, get more rest, start, blah, blah, blah. So that seems like it's just a brainstorm. No perfect handwriting needed, just dig in. Comparison isn't just the thief of joy, it's the thief of everything. Whoa. And so, I love this. This is like a wonderful you to sort of figure out what makes you unique and what your sweet spots are. So I love that because I already see some keywords. Has it been a long time since you felt like you were really living? Ooh, what fires me up? So these are all the prep worksheets. Cultivate life evaluation. So now we're going to be looking at some major areas of our lives and rating them and figuring out some ideas to make it better, where opportunities are. Break your identity box. I love this. What have you decided that you cannot do? What identity boxes or boxes have you unknowingly put yourself into? Write your thoughts out. Where do you want to go? Where were you 10 years ago? And where are you today? What has changed since 10 years ago? Whoa. You are strong, brave, capable, creative, ready. I'm moving past fear. Challenges. What didn't work in the last year? Good things. What worked in the last year? Lessons I've learned. People I'm grateful for. Whoa. Feel like life is flying by. The big picture. What will matter to you then? What won't matter to you then? Where do you want to be when you're 80 or 90 or 100? Dreams become decisions when you cultivate them. My legacy. Your legacy starts now. Who do you want to be? What do you want to be known for? Why I want to make what matters happen in the big picture. I have my great-grandmother's hand-sewn quilt. So, here's where the magic happens. What threads did you discover? Write them out here. What stood out to you most? If you could envision your most purposeful year yet, what would it look like? What would you have time for? Where would you spend your time? Who or what kind of people would be in your life? How would you spend your morning, days, and evenings? What would you do regularly? Where or to whom you would give your best? That's a good question. How would your days feel? Brainstorm your years ahead. I'm saying no to. I'm saying yes to. Choose a word of the year. This is good. Make a list of a few possible words that resonate with you. Get old school and break out the dictionary. Choose a word. And then you're going to commit to your word for 2020 and state why you chose that word. Vision board. If you could visualize it, you are more likely to live it. That's good. Go get them. And so this is just, so I mean, you see the first 34 pages of this was just like already wonderful. And so then this is the goal tab. Goal stands for grow what matters, one step at a time, little by little, and your steps will add up. Wow. So it looks like we're going to have 8 main goals to focus on. And it tells you how to fill out your action plan sheets. So you have your main goal, then you have your mini goals. So that's good. So you have this for each goal. You can't do it all well. and do life well. But you can choose to cultivate what matters. And that means letting go at times and leaning into the power of little by little progress, not perfection. Little by little, a little by little, a little becomes a lot and can add up to a whole new life. Wow, that's good. All good things start with one step, and then it goes into your monthly sections. So like for January, this says prepare well, important things to do, I'm excited for, on my mind, worries and stresses, and what I am hopeful that. And then you have your monthly calendar, top 10 tending sheets. So I guess this is like a list of things to do. We're still in January. What matters happens this month. Goals to focus on this month, action idea, simplify and prioritize, set your goal, and your tending list is here. Encouraging words, top priority, monthly action items, your progress, weekly action items, and your tracking list, daily actions and habits for the month. And then you have your month in review. This month, I'm especially grateful for, someone I'm grateful for, and why. I'm choosing grace over guilt about. Ooh. A favorite memory from this month. Goals that are growing well. Someone I'm grateful for and why. Progress I'm celebrating, even if it was small. A good lesson I learned. What I'm saying no to. What I'm saying yes to. And so then your first quarter of the year has the same tab colors. Well, not the same tab colors, but they have the same divider page and then corresponding colors within the divider. So that's pretty. And so it's the same thing for your spring season. Well, yeah. Your spring season, one thing at a time. And so your spring season is clearing out the clutter checklist. And then you have in spring, new life appears out of what felt bleak. It is a time of planting new seeds, blooming and celebrating. After winter, spring always comes. This is your fresh start. I love that. So clear out the clutter checklist. You're going to look at the internet clutter, physical clutter, heart clutter, decision clutters. My social media statement. And then here we are looking at a goal refresh. So this is nice because you're reconsidering your goals in those major categories we spoke of earlier. Why I gave this rating, what I'm saying yes to, what I'm saying no to, and that's for each one. And my word for the next 3 months. And you have your goal refresh. So this is allowing you for readjustments of your goals. Believe in what you can't see. Now I can find some scriptures to go with all this. Believe in what you can't see. Okay, so your second quarter of the year has the green tabs, which is really nice. So same dashboard for all of them. And then your summer tab, today is the day. Have a fruitful summer. And so in the summer, we cultivate, prune, and tend. We get our hands dirty in the soil, work hard in the heat, and find joy in the simple pleasures of this abundant season. Summer is a time of gathering together to cultivate fruitful friendships. So on this one, have a fruitful summer. Tradition helps us cultivate connections. So we're looking at some traditions to start with whom, starting steps, and you're going to list 3 of those regarding traditions. And then here you have your goal refresh again. 8 goals. So basically, you're still working on your 8 goals, but maybe you need to make some adjustments. Ooh, this is pretty. So you have your divider pages for the summer months. That's cute. And then you have your fall season. Keep going. And then it says, in the fall, our efforts bear fruit and bounty. To share, we reap the harvest, uprooting our fields and clearing out our lives before the stillness of winter arrives once again. Fall is a season of savoring what matters and cultivating gratitude. And so savoring cultivates contentment. Slow down to savor. Turns what we have into more than enough. Use your tending tape to tape this list to your fridge or kitchen wall as a reminder to savor what matters ahead. Knowing me, once I write out everything, I'm probably just going to make a copy of it because I like to keep everything together. And so you have your goal refresh again. Goals get accomplished when they matter to you. And so this takes care of the fall season, which includes October, November, and December. Very nice. And then after your December month, you again have your month in review, and then you're going to celebrate progress. As this year draws to a close, let's celebrate imperfect progress and take a look back at 12 months of growing what matters. And so in this page, you're going to write down some highlights from each month. And that's it for the power sheet. And so this is a very guided goal planner, which I think I will fully enjoy. Come on and close. Uh-oh. Did I get it? There it goes. Nope. I did something there. Okay. Voila. So that's very, very, very pretty. I love it. It's beautiful. This is so me. And so that is my power sheets. And I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. If you are inspired to order your own power sheet, check out the link below. It is my Planner Mentors link, affiliate link. And we could just support her in her efforts to help more and more people achieve their goals. So please like, subscribe, turn on your notification bell. So anytime I post any videos or go live, you will get the notification. And I will be giving you updates on my progress for 2020. Thank you. Bye.